Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. Actually, it's Sunday today in South Africa, and we are going to take the kids to the Rhino Park. And this is what I packed for them. I am sure there's gonna be a lot of food, but on the way driving there, we might just gonna stop on McDonald's drive-through. But traveling with the kids, especially with my 16-month-old baby. Sorry, my mind keeps thinking that he's 16 months, but he's 18 months, almost 19 months now. Time just fly, and usually travel with the kid. I always make sure that I have foods available all the time in the car, just in case we're stuck in the traffic or it takes us longer than expect to get where we are going. Even though if you don't eat, I always make sure that I have food for them, because you never know, they ask anytime. So I just cut up some apple. We have the leftover, it's like a sponge cake but look like donut to me. It's a little sweet, not too much sweet, but look like a old-fashioned plain donut. This is in Canada, usually it's really similar to old-fashioned plain, but I don't know what it's called here. So I have that and a bottle of water. And it's our first time to this Rhino Park, and I'm excited to show the kids what they have, and we will take you guys along for today's vlog. And yes, I got dressed. Husband, I choose the clothes for the kids. I asked him to dress the kids, and this is how he dressed up our boy. This is not the first time.
Mama.
Isn't that supposed to be in the front, baby? I'm gonna swap his clothes around a little bit, because somehow, I don't know, my husband always dress some backward. It doesn't matter, pants, t-shirt, always.
It's too long on them.
No,
Is it just?
this is it's not like that way. The back is right, but it just you don't twist it.
Yeah.
You twist it.
Mama.
This one you can adjust it
Mama.
longer or shorter, right?
Mama.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. Just this. Now it's fit him properly.
Mama. Mama.
That's the front. That's the back.
Mama.
Yes. Len, let's go. Let's get ready. Go. Put the shoe on. Good.
Put your shoe on, good.
Yeah, put the shoe on. You sleepy now, Maxie? Hi, Len Len. Where are you going, Kun?
It's like that tree, and then suddenly the transmission separated.
in the Rhino Park, you will drive through the park so that you can drive and see you follow the path, right? Yeah. We have to go to the mall after work, maybe month to and stuff like that. And get
Cha con. Cha.
My iPad number.
you don't have a number on your iPad. Not yet.
Not yet.
There yet. Not there yet.
Cha. Con ha nè cây con. Yeah.
Look, Mama. Mama, look.
Oh, there's a Burger King here, lah.
Mommy,
Yeah. Look like this robot is working. Yeah. Let you see that big dome. I don't know what is that. It's a we buy car. Probably like at Blueberry Square.
Oh, there's another school here.
Yeah.
Daddy,
We're gonna go a different place today.
And this Blueberry Square shopping center.
goodbye to Happy Meal for Maxie and me.
Yeah.
Then I'll buy
Chicken nugget Happy Meal, please.
Drink and sauce. Drink.
Coke
Is that all?
and
Coffee frap.
a coffee frap.
Sorry?
A coffee frap.
Okay.
A coffee.
Come again.
An iced coffee.
Which flavor?
Black, just black. No flavor.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maybe it is.
in Africa. Do you know that?
Oh, mommy didn't know that.
China.
Then you ordered.
Didn't you want to be?
Yeah, because I was not wanting. It's Mama.
Cha.
Sure.
The street here is like going up and down, right?
15-minute, then we're almost there. Rhino and Lion.
Wow, it's beautiful, right? Yes. Look how beautiful it is.
Victoria.
Yeah.
Because we might fall down.
No, when you walk. Yeah. Dada. There's a lot of truck here then. Yeah. So we have about 12 minutes to get to the Rhino Park.
5 minutes. I said 5 minutes.
That's where we're going. But we're not
Where are we?
in South Africa. The country name is South Africa. Spelled with M-A-L-A-W-I, I think.
Yes, W-I.
There's a nice restaurant here too. Everything served pizza and burgers. Wow, look at that Cradle Valley. And you can see it's a valley cradle, right? You got that cradle, right?
Yes. It's beautiful. That's the roundabout. Cradle Valley.
Cradle Valley.
Cradle Valley.
It's like a resort.
Yeah. People here they just park here and
Go
go
biking.
Yeah.
3 kilometers, 6 minutes. There.
Okay, 6 minutes. 4.6
Cradleberry
kilometers.
Farm.
The sun, it just remind me of
Oh,
Cambodia
look,
a
it's a
lot.
trout farm.
Yeah, up and down.
This is beautiful. Look
Yeah.
at the
So from here we have about 7 to 8 minutes to arrive. But for some reasons, when we travel with our babies, he always tend to fall asleep
yeah.
before we get to the place, and of course he start crying a little bit before he fall asleep. So I just put the video on mute and I do the voiceover instead. At this roundabout, it's just gonna be about like 5 minutes to get there. And here how the road look like, it's nice and quiet, people riding the bike along the street. I guess because it's a weekends as well, so there's so many biker along this street. And we were there on the Saturday. This is around 9 o'clock in the morning. Yes, right now we just arrived and we wave our hand here to the right, and then as you drive in, there's a restaurant on the left hand side, and we can just continue driving straight
Wow, that's a big rhino.
to buy the ticket